Welcome everyone. In today's video, I will demonstrate the process of establishing a secure personal vault on your Windows PC. Without further delay, let's proceed these steps to enhance the security of your digital space. So first, click on Windows button. Now type create. Then you will see second option in settings, create and format hard disk partition. Click enter. Here you can see a new window will open. Now on the upper left hand corner you can see an option action. Click on action, then go to create VHD. Here you can see a window will pop up, then you will click browse. Now here you can choose the location where you want to keep your vault. I will choose my document and I will name it as vault. Then here you can see virtual disk type. Click on dynamic expandation. Here you can choose the space or storage you want for your vault. Here I am keeping it as 10 gigabytes. Then click OK. Now click on the left side where disk 2 is written. Then right click on that part. Then click on initialize disk. Then OK. Now you can see our disk has been initialized. Now click on the black portion, then click on simple volume, then next, next. Here I will name it as vault. Then next, then finish. Now click on detach VHD. Now here you click on detach VHD, then OK. Now go to the file where we have stored the VHD, the personal vault. Click this PC, go to the location where you have stored the file. Here is my vault. Its size is about 30 MB. Then click on the vault. Now here you can see a new window will open. Then again go to this PC. Then here you can see the vault. Then right click on it. Then click on turn on BitLocker. Here choose use a password to unlock the drive. Keep your password. Here choose save to a file. Then choose the location where you want to keep the backup keys. Here I am locating it on my document. Click save, then next, then click encrypt entire drive. Slow but best for the PC and drive already in use. Click next. Choose new encryption mode if you want to keep it in your own desktop, or if you want to move it on another desktop or another computer. Choose compatible mode, then click next, then start encryption. You can see the device has been encrypted. then click close. After that, right click on it, click on eject. Now again go to documents, click on the vault which we have created, then again go to this PC. Here you can see your vault has been logged. Now when you double click on it, you have a screen on the right side, on the upper right side. Here put the password of your drive of your vault to unlock it. Here you can see our personal vault has been created. This, you can only create this vault in your Windows PC. The requirements are, if you are using Windows 11 or 10, you need to have Pro edition of the Windows. You can check the Windows edition by going to setting, click on Windows, and go to settings. Then go to system, then go to about. Here you can see Windows specification. Addition of my Windows is Windows 10 Pro. You are able to lock your vault if you have Windows Pro edition. If you don't have Pro edition, you can text me. I can create a personal vault for you, and I will send you to your mail. You can write comment disk in the comment section. I will create the disk, and you can label your password on mail. You can also mail me to create your drive. And thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.